Well, just outside of Seahouses, so I'm going to pop in there, see what it's like. These guys wanted to come on video, but when I offered them, they said they were feeling a little bit sheepish. Right, tourist information. Oh, closed. That's helpful. You get little trips to see the puffins apparently. Last time I went, a couple of years ago, on the puffin expedition, I think we've seen one bloody puffin. Lots of mud. Before I come out today, I'd have thought about Seahouses. And I thought, where did the name come from? And the houses were near the sea, so they called it Seahouses. Wow, now that's interesting. A master shipbuilder at work with a bit of sandpaper. I could do that. It's like a little noddy car. I want one. I'm looking for a jacket here, but they're all either extra small or extra large. They're very fat people or very thin people. Apparently this nice little tree is a grey willow. Bet you're impressed. I love the sat-nav's take on this. I think it thinks I'm an underwater explorer. Now this is cool. I've just seen a notice saying make sure you check for tide crossings. I forgot to check for tide crossings. Tip of the day, when you're using your GoPro, bring a spare battery. Nice bike. Better not upset the locals. Grey, misty day, but you can still find yourself a whippy anywhere. A nice little cute harbour. I reckon I could just about afford that boat. The castle looking a little bit menacing with a mist. Hopefully you can see it. I'm not sure if the TV series The Vikings was filmed here. Filmed? Is that such a word? Anyway, yeah, I'm not sure if it was filmed here or not. Don't know a great deal about Lindisfarne, but I know the main man was St. Cuthbert. He was born like hundreds and hundreds of years ago, but he was the chief cheese round here, I believe, at that time. There he is, Lindisfarne Castle. It's a bit of a trek. I bet their monks were pretty fit in the day. Yeah, I think old Cuthbert, the head poncho around here, lived here for a bit. But then I think he got a bit pissed off and wanted a bit of solitude, so he become a hermit and lived on one of the little islands further out. I mean, like, this isn't remote enough. What was he thinking? The walk continues. But nice. Nice and remote. But not remote enough for Cuthbert. Well, that's as far as I can go. You can just imagine the poor little monks at tea time. Oh, Benedict, can you pass the salt? Oh shit, the Vikings have arrived. Run, run for the hills. I wondered what the monks did for fun round here. I mean, there's not a lot going on. Apart from running away from Vikings. Maybe he's polishing the cutlery and skipping through the Bible. What did they do? And as the monks were all men, well, perhaps they were all gay. Lots of gay monks. Nothing wrong with that. Big seagulls around here. They're like pterodactyls. By these rocks play havoc with your bunions. Did I mention I had bunions? That is one big pile of horse crap. Jesus. What have they been feeding the horses around here? And there's the priory up there. But that's close too. Well, that was Lindisfarne. It was alright. I'll not be moving up anytime soon. I think there was a band in the 80s or 70s called Lindisfarne from the northeast. I've travelled the land with my guitar in my hand. This is so cool! If you haven't been to Lindisfarne, give it a go! Lovely!